Welcome back. In this video I'm going to give you a sketchbook flip through of my limited palette field sketchbook. So most of these drawings are simply done in black and white. Straight up we have the cover page, which is the only one actually done in colour. First we have a drawing on the right hand page only, angels, my little angel, and then I have a trio of angels because I thought I was going to be doing stained glass window. Then we have a rose window. A couple of more angels. Here we got a bit of a spooky house and a cat and the moon. I did an abstract with squares and circles. Christian cross with some brightness there. This is a tree, what I think would look like on an X-ray. We then have a door, there's a lot of doors in this. I have a sunflower reflected black and white down the center line. Cherry blossoms just cascading in. Then this was going to be the Queen of Hearts card. Then we have a stairway going somewhere. This is part of the portals and entrances. A clouder of cats all crammed in there. My favourite bookshelves, I love doing bookshelves. This is now another abstract with circles and just the one shape there. Two more angels at a window. A bouquet of flowers in a vase. This then is a leaf again in the black and white. Quite a lot of botanicals in here. Then I have a candle shedding light on life. This is a koi fish, beautiful, in black and white. And a butterfly. A couple of bits of nature coming through now. This is then the Nautilus shell, which I love, I have one myself. Ebony and ivory piano keyboard. This is then a fan, pretty straightforward there. I then laid down the alphabet, and you can tell me which letter's missing. A nice cup of tea and a teaspoon. Strelitzia regina, beautiful plant. This then is a harlequin, again with the same face I always seem to draw. I'm not very good at faces, but anyway. So are we barking up the wrong tree? I was thinking silver birch there. Then we have a black diamond, which was kind of interesting to draw. Hedera helix, this is ivy cascading down. Then I have a pearl shell, an oyster shell, lovely. Another shell, I'm not sure of the name of this one, but that has some shadow. Then we have swans. I was going to do a black swan in the reflection, but it didn't work that way. This then is a slice of a tree. Are we barking up the wrong tree with this one? This is a delicious monster leaf. Very interesting shape, very popular shape to draw. And then we have a tiger. Don't do many animals, rather tricky, but yeah, a tiger. This then is the Eye of Horus. It's an Egyptian hieroglyph and also part of the Fibonacci pattern. A slice of lemon, why not? Pineapples, again, part of the Fibonacci sequence of 8, 13 on those spotty things. Strawberry feels forever. This was my fruit session. Then we have a Galapagos tortoise, place I've always wanted to visit. Another gate opening. Where are we going on our journey? Lots of portals, yes. Here I have I'm calling it my Turkish carpet. And then this is my nod to Kandinsky's circles in monochrome. And what does a Greek urn? Love is life. Very nice. Simple. But it says it all. I then have an owl, looking a little shaggy there on the feathers, but an owl. Then we have avocado. The question is the pip in or the pip out? Is it a pip? This is a Maasai shield with the assegais, the grapes of wrath coming through there. And then, of course, a glass of red. Why not? That's where it comes from. Another doorway, interesting doorway. What lies behind? Where are we going? I did a lot of doorways. And the keys to open these doors, because we do need the keys to get through life. I then have a chandelier shedding light on your life, and for whom the bell tolls. I was trying to give a bit of sound to this particular drawing. These are agapanthus, or we used to call them agathopanthuses. And another angel. We do like our angels for sure. This is a water well where the potential is below the well and we're going to bring it forward in our lives. And a pizza. I think that's what was had for dinner that night. 2021, just as a memory of the year where I'm actually doing this, was to be a Tudor rose. It would have been the white in the middle and the dark on the outside, but it ended up being a double white rose. I have a clock here smiling, because if it says 10:05, it's always smiling at you, the clocks are. Books, because we all need to read more books. I know I do, maybe you do too. Sunglasses, morning, noon and night. You need to have your shades, see where you're going. Then I have an art gallery with a selection of pictures, landscapes, portraits, still lifes, and so on. A beautiful little wreath with lots of intricate detail in there. And that is my fingerprint. I was trying to do a fingerprint because it is, of course, all in black and white here. And that's the last page there, Alison, Hazel, art. Yes. So this was the end of my field sketchbook. There's 72 pages. It came apart at the end, so I don't know what that says about the book. But anyway, and very interesting indeed. So there it is, a flip through of my limited palette sketchbook. Which is your favourite page? Tell us in the comments below. I'm Alison Hazel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.